turns this thing up.
Singing pretty loud.
No, they can't hear you.
I know, but I mean, I've been singing loud.
Okay.
I've been really pouring in the mic. You see,
Is the main thing turned on?
I was putting, yeah, I was putting it
Switched
out.
on?
You know what? You
Is
were
there
the
a
one.
switch on it?
Hang on a minute, folks.
Hey, hang on a minute.
See, I'm doing too many things myself. Mr. Goddamn.
Is it on, the mic?
I don't know.
This mic is on. I'm trying to
I
find the on
don't
switch.
know.
Mic test, 1, 2.
Can
can't
you
see.
see
Can
the
you hear that?
off switch? Can you hear anything
Oh,
coming
it's
out
on
of
now.
it?
It
Can
might
you
not
hear
have
me?
been on. Now
Check,
you'll
check.
hear it. Now you'll hear it.
Was it on before?
No.
Okay, there you go.
That was my fault, folks. I did everything but turn on the main speaker for the vocals for the PA. So I think it's going to be better now. But so Tony, you're going to do another one. We've got to give you another shot at this.
Oh, I think it's only fair.
And I want to wish everybody. I hope y'all had a happy 4th of July weekend. Tony had a beautiful party at his house Friday night.
Thank you, Carmen.
How many people did you have?
We had right around 100 people.
100.
I know one thing. I gave out a whole bunch of those flag pens. I'm going to show you these people, you folks, this little pen that we discovered. It was so
Great.
much fun.
The people love those
People
pens.
love those
Yeah.
pens. They were all playing with them all night. And you had a lot of good. Now, the menu was hot dogs, potato salad.
We had hot dogs. We had watermelon. We had potato salad, potato chips, Cheetos, baked beans, Bush's
oh, yeah, the baked beans were good, too, by the
Plug-in
way.
Bush's beans.
Man.
Good beans. We had a good time.
It was like 4th of July food.
The music was fantastic. We had Paul doing vocals, was fantastic. Carmen. And these two gentlemen are sitting here tonight with Carmen doing the country corner, but we actually had Paul, we
Gary
had
Swan
Gary
and
Swan,
J.D. Menace and Cody Bryant.
John Palmer on drums.
Yeah, Palmer and
And
Cody
the
and
band
everybody
was great.
was there.
My neighbors told me the next day, I was worried about, the noise a little bit, though we didn't play that long. We cut it out about 10:30, quarter to 11. But my neighbors were complimenting me in the band. They said, man, what a great band that music was. They loved the music. Anyway, thank you guys.
We had
Carmen, thank
fun.
all the guys.
I'm going to mention one more thing before we do our next song, because I got a little excited about this. Palmer called me and said, I can't make the gig, Carmine's Country Corner, Sunday. He said, so I called Dwight Payne. And I got all excited because Dwight and I go way back like all these guys do. And I always loved Dwight. He's kind of like, always reminds me like from kind of like the 60s kind of a guy. You do. And he just plays that style that I love. I always like the way Dwight, and he's a good singer too, and not a bad friend. So I told Palmer, I said, that's fair. I haven't seen Dwight in, what, 3 years?
Well,
or something?
Dwight, he's worked
Been a
with us.
while.
He's worked with us before, Carmen. I knew you many times, but one time we actually worked with the Sardo
Yeah,
Brother
years
band.
ago.
Years ago,
Yeah,
he helped us
but I
out
haven't
on
seen him.
something.
So I'm really happy to have him with us. Dwight, thank you for coming up at the last minute and helping us out.
Thank you for inviting me. Always a joy.
We're going to get you singing in a minute.
Hey.
Okay, brother. Go ahead, Tony.
When I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton field back home. When I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton field back home. When those cotton balls got rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them old cotton field back home. Carminesville back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana. In them old, those cotton fields back home. I'm coming out, John. Now when I was a little babe, I was brought me in the crib. In them old, those cotton fields back home. When I was a little babe, mama would rock me in the crib. In them old, those cotton fields back home. And when the cotton balls get rotten, you can't play very much cotton. In them old, those cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana. In them old, those cotton fields. One more guitar, come please. And when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pay very much cotton. In them old, those cotton fields back home. So it was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana. In them old, those cotton fields back home. In them old cotton fields back home. I think that was done by Credence, I believe.
They didn't do it originally.
What?
They didn't do it originally. They might have covered it.
Well, that's how much I know.
Yeah.
I heard Credence
See, like
do it once, and I figured they did it.
Like
That
a
was
lot
it.
of people think that Credence did Susie Q. You know, like maybe he wrote it or something, you know, but that was done in the 50s
Yeah.
by, was it Dale Hawkins?
It was.
Did you tell me once
James
that
Burton and those
James
guys.
Burton made up the lick on that? You
Yeah,
told
yeah,
me?
he wrote the lick and Dale Hawkins put the words to it. Now, funny thing is, James never got credit for co-writing, for writing the music.
And he did write the music.
Yeah,
He was-
absolutely. They used to do it as an instrumental. It was like part of their show. And Burton would do this, you know, and play all this guitar stuff that he's so good at playing. And then Dale said, "I'm going to put words to that," and they did. And then when the record came out, they just left James. But James said, "That's cool." He said, "That's okay. I did other things that were fun too, so it
Yeah.
didn't matter."
He was good.
You know.
Yeah, he was a pretty good guitar player, put that tell you.
Dwight, are you ready?
Yeah, first a small fact, Eli Whitney wrote that last song. Who?
Eli Whitney.
Eli Whitney.
Eli Whitney, who I'm not even sure who that is.
Yeah, that's Cotton Gin.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah, right.
He said he's the one that wrote.
Well, now where have I heard
Cotton
that name,
Fields.
Eli Whitney? You've heard that?
I might have heard, but I don't know anything about it.
A little esoteric there.
Yeah, let's do There Goes My Heart in D.
Okay. Key D, Tony.
In D.
D is in dog and vocal pickup, yeah. Yeah.
5, 4, 1. Isn't that right?
Vocals come in.
Straight.
Vocals.
Wait, folks.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
There goes my heart breaking in two, and there go my eyes crying over you. My arms don't want for us to part, so when you go, here come the blue. There goes my heart. You told me once we would never part, and that you loved me right from the start. And now these words of love you're going to erase. You found somebody who wants to take my place. There goes my heart breaking in two, and there goes bridge that's burned. It's just another lonely lesson learned, yeah. To see you walk away with him hurts me so. This poor old lover, I don't wanna see you go. And there goes my heart breaking in two. There goes my eyes crying over you. My arms don't want for us to part. So when you go, here come the blues, there goes my heart. So when you go, here come the blues, there goes my heart. So when you go, here come the blues, there goes my
It's the only country song I know.
See what I mean? I love Dwight Payne,
Hey,
I
don't
love
get
Dwight Payne.
my buddy.
too close.
Now, every Wednesday night, what time are you there at the war room?
Oh, you're talking to me. I'm there Wednesdays starting at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, they have a jam. Is it a blues jam?
Blues jam and some other colors that turn into like this total hell.
Yeah. Well, that's okay. You know, we let everybody have fun in those
Yeah, they
jams.
do.
I did them for 13 years. Remember me, you, and Steve Hunter and Eric Garcia. Eric was here last week for my birthday. He played with us.
Great.
Yeah, I love Eric Garcia. Anyway, Paul,
Yes.
usually you open the show and we
Not
talk,
today.
and today we get everybody else, and
Yeah, it was
we're,
fun.
we're taking a back seat.
I like doing
I do too,
switching it up,
being a little side
change
man.
it up a little bit.
Yeah. Did your wife get home yet?
No.
Do you want me to talk to her for you?
Yes.
Okay, I will. I'll tell you. No,
Please.
Paul gets kind of lonesome when you're not
Get
around.
lonely. She'll be home tomorrow, maybe.
Well, I hope so. Go ahead and do something.
Okay, let's do Take Me to Lake Charles. It's in A, and there's a B minor and a D. That's it.
Feel. Okay.
Straight A's.
Okay.
2, a vamp in A. Well, take me to Lake Charles. I could win $100, buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore, trying to help my sister. I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 Yeah. Well, I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffet and a dress you can wear. 21's coming to me. I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to Savings and Loan. So take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Oh, Kurt. nation and they target the free. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 Oh, take me to Lake Charles. 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 Take me to Lake Charles.
Pretty song, real pretty. Great song. Pretty song.
That's a
Good
good
song. Who did that song? Funny name. Funny
Yes.
Shiny Ribs.
name. The name of the band's called Shiny Ribs.
Yes, sir.
I love that.
Shiny ribs are good.
Yeah, they're good.
I miss.
All their songs are
Remember Love's
amazing.
Barbecue? We used to have up here on
Not
Fort Hill
bad.
Boulevard. They had the great shiny
Troy, you
ribs.
want to say one?
Sure, why not?
What do you got?
We're going to do Old Man from the Mountain, Merle Haggard song. I'll start it off, and everybody comes in on a D, and then we go to a G, and then we go up the street here a little ways, make a left, and anyway.
7-Eleven.
The old man from the mountains are coming home, home, home. Thought I'd better warn you, so I called you on the phone. Get rid of Joe the Grinder, you better be there alone. 'Cause the old man from the mountains coming home. Well, I've been working in a sawmill, all uptight and tense. I got wind of someone digging under my back fence. Thought I'd better call you, let you know today that the old man from the mountains on his way. Yeah, the old man from the mountains coming home, home, home. I thought I'd better warn you, so I called you on the phone. I get rid of Joe the Grinder, you better be there alone. 'Cause the old man from the mountains coming home. Head off, all for $1 bill. I need a bunch of good loving, so I'm a coming down the hill. I don't want no friendly Henry, that's what up my bed. And the old man from the mountains means what I said. Yep, and the old man from the mountains are coming home, home, home. Thought I'd better warn you, so I called you on the phone. Been rid of Joe the Grinder, you better be there alone. 'Cause the old man from the mountains coming home. Old man Carmine, he's coming home. You know, I've been working my dang fool head off. You know, all for just $1 bill. I need a bunch of good loving, so I'm coming down the hill. I don't want no friendly Henrys, I want up my bed. And the old man from the mountains means what he said. Yes, he does. The old man from the mountains are coming home, home, home. Thought I'd better warn you, so I called you on the phone. I get rid of Joe the Grinder, you better be there alone. 'Cause the old man from the mountains coming home. 5, 1.
Well, Haggard.
Yeah.
95.
So you're watching Carmine's Country Corner. We're coming to you about a block and a half away from Bob Smith Toyota.
Bob Smith Toyota.
And we're having fun. We're here at my upholstery shop. And we got Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa showed up this week. Last week we had a party. We had a lot of people here.
Yes, sir.
We had a good
It
time.
was a birthday party.
It was. I
For
was
you.
81 years old.
You got Merle Haggard
We're
here
having a
in
good time.
that
yeah,
guy,
the
that
other
fellow
guy.
here. We all know Hank Williams.
Hank Williams and Merle Haggard hanging up by the American flag back there. You know, I wore this shirt at your party Friday night, and I thought, well, it's still kind of the 4th of July weekend, you
Yeah,
know,
it is.
so I'm going to wear it again.
Looks good.
And then tomorrow, next week, I won't wear it because
Take it off at Christmas time.
it'll be about
a
time to
good
get it
idea.
cleaned. Anyway. So, Tony, do another one.
Let's do an old Ricky Nelson song called "Poor Little Fool." This song goes way back. One of the first songs I learned, and I still haven't learned it, but it's a fun song. See. Well, I used to play around at hearts, hastened at my call. But when I met that little girl, I knew this time I'd fall. Poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Now she hung around and teased me with her carefree devil eyes. She held me close and kissed me, but her heart was full of lies. Poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. I was a fool. Piano. Brother Carmen, play some guitar for me, please. Well, I played this game with other kinds I never thought I'd see. The day when someone else would play love's foolish game with me. Oh, little fool. Oh, yeah. I was a fool. Guitar. Piano coming at you. Now I played this game with other cards, but I never thought I'd see the day when someone else would play love's foolish game with me. Oh, little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. I was a fool. Oh yeah, oh little fool. Oh yeah. I was a fool. I was a fool.
Tune up.
I hope so.
Ricky, not Ricardo, Nelson, Ricky Nelson.
That's right.
Ricardo did that song in Cuban. He did a good job in it too. He did everything good. That was Ricky Nelson.
Sorry, folks. Must be the heat.
Yes, Ricky Nelson from The Adventures of Ozzie and Harriet.
And his brother David, don't forget David.
Oh, don't forget David. No.
We do this because we care. Right, Carmen? Is that what they say?
One of the reasons we tune. Oh, want to do another one?
Sure.
Good song, Tony.
Thank you.
Let's do this one right here.
Let's do this one.
Let's do Long Black Limousine.
Good song. Keep-
Let's try G.
And if that doesn't work, we'll try something else.
What's the feel? Straight.
One, two, one, two. There's a long line of mourners coming down our street. Their fancy cars are quite a sight to see. They're all of your rich friends that knew you in the city, and now they finally brought you back to me. The paper told of how you lost your life, of the party and the fatal crash that night, of the race on the highway and the curve nobody's seen. Now you're riding in a long black limousine. Everybody's staring. Looks like you finally got your dream. You're riding in a long black limousine. With trembling hands I watch as you ride by, with your chauffeur at the wheel dressed up so fine. I'll never love another. My heart and all my dreams ride with you in that long black limousine. Yeah, they ride with you in that long black limousine.
Pretty song.
Who did that?
Merle Haggard.
Did Mill like that?
He didn't write it,
Another one by Merle.
but he had the hit on it. Yeah.
Great song. That's not like a Lefty for Sale kind of song.
It does. He didn't write it either. A couple of local guys wrote it. Guys from like Pomona.
Didn't he write something about a black limousine?
He probably did.
Lefty?
I think Dwight did too.
No, the black veil. I'm thinking about.
Long Black
Long
Veil.
Black
I like
Veil
that
is what
one,
I'm
too.
thinking about. Yeah,
That's a gooder.
that's another good song. Tony,
Yeah, I'd like to do.
the other guest artist. So go ahead
you
and do
know,
it.
when I started doing music, we used to talk about, we're going to play for an audience, and we say, what are we going to do? And you say, well, I'm not sure. I say, well, do a fast song and then do a slow song. And then do maybe another fast song and then another slow song and mix it up. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do a slow song. But first we'll do a fast song and then I'll do a slow song. How's that sound?
Sounds good to me.
Let's do a song called Swingin' in the key of E.
All right.
And then we'll follow it up with something slow and purty. It worked years ago, might work now. There's a little girl in our neighborhood. Her name is Charlotte Johnson and she's really looking good. Today I'm gonna see, take her for her own. We were on the football swing and all alone we will swing. We will swing. Little Charlotte, she's so pretty as the angel when I sing. Can't believe I'm out here on the front foot in the swing. Here we go. Now there's a little girl in our neighborhood. Her name is Charlotte Johnson and she really looking good. I thought I'd go to see her. I called her on the phone. I walked her over to her house and let her go and all she was swing. We will swing. Little Charlotte, she's so pretty, and the angel when I sing. Can't believe I'm out here on the front foot of the swing. Someone take it. swinging.
Good job, guys. That was fun.
Oh, thank you. We got an audience, Carmen.
We do. They're coming in off the street. Hi,
Welcome.
guys. Nice to see you again. We're glad you're here.
Now,
We
can I do my...
this, folks, we do this every week from 6 to 7 on Facebook and YouTube. It's called Carmine's Country Corner. Push the like button and share button on Facebook and the subscribe button. And there's something else on YouTube I always forget. Anyway, you know what to do. If you know how to get on YouTube, you know
Sunday
what to
night,
do.
right, Carmen? Sunday
Every
night.
Sunday at 6 p.m. Been doing it for 5 years.
Let's do a slow song, can I?
Do it, sure. You're the
Here's a
guest
song.
artist, honey. I don't care
There's a
what
song
you do.
that'll either put you to sleep or I'll put you to sleep. By the way, there's a horse in this song. D. Don't look so sad. I know it's over and life goes on and this whole world keeps right on turning. Pick it up. Let's just be glad we found some time to spend together. There's no need to watch those bridges. I know we're burning. Just lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body next to mine, and hear the whisper of those raindrops. They're beating soft against the window. Now make believe you love me one more time for the good time. Carmen. I'll get along. We'll find another, and I'll be here if you should feel you ever want me. And don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your head on my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body next to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops beating soft against the window. Make believe you love me one more time for the good time. Da 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 da, da 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 for the good time.
Well, that's a good old song. We used to do that in the summer. Yeah, you're rushing a little.
I get excited.
No, he held steady. Boy, we used to do that in the old Sardo Brother band
Yeah, we
50
did.
years
We
ago. We
played the
did that
wheels off
song
there.
a
Remember
lot.
that, Paul?
More than once.
Boy.
More than once.
Great song. We're coming to you from Carmine's Country Corner. We got about 15 minutes left. Gee, I don't know if I'm going to do. I'm not going to do one today. I'm going to let you guys sing. Kurt, do another one. And then we'll
All
have
right.
Dwight do one.
Well, I've got choices here. I think I'll do a song I've never done before.
Do it.
We're in E minus, and it's an engine song. Elijah was a wooden Indian standing by the door. He fell in love with an Indian maiden over at the antique store. Elijah just stood there and never let it show, so she could never answer yes or no. Ugh, he always wore his Sunday feathers and held a tomahawk. And maiden wore her beads and braids to hope someday she'd talk. Elijah, too stubborn to ever show a sign, because his heart was made of mighty pine. Well, poor Elijah never got a kiss. Poor Elijah don't know what he missed. Is it any wonder that his face was red? Elijah, that poor wooden head. Play it, Carmine, the chorus roll. Was a lonely Indian, never went nowhere. His heart was set on the Indian man with the coal black hair. Elijah, just stood there and never let it show, so she could never answer yes or no. And one day a wealthy customer bought the Indian maid and took her oh so far away, but oh, Elijah stayed. Elijah, just stood there as lonely as can be, and wishes he was still an old pine tree. Now, poor old Elijah, he never got a kiss. Poor old Elijah, don't know what he missed. Is it any wonder that his face was red? Elijah, that poor wooden head.
Nice job. Great arrangement. I love that. I love doing it like that. It's cool.
Beautiful job. Beautiful song.
Dwight, you're up.
Great job on
I
that.
know, I'm trying to find something.
That was fun.
I want to do.
Haven't heard that song for a while.
Either did I.
Yeah. Well, most people can't hold a note that long. That's why they don't do it.
Kim, everything's
I was going to
okay?
say something, but
Okay, key of G. Knock on Heaven's Door.
knocking on.
At the very beginning of the tune, this was the harmony part.
Yeah.
So we got Dwight here today, and I'm happy about that. And you're going to start doing this with us once in a while.
Thank you. Please.
Okay?
I'm so happy about it.
Okay. What are we at?
We're doing Knock on Heaven's Door G. G. I'll put it down here to be safe.
Knock on Heaven's Door.
Yeah, that's a demo tune.
we going?
Key of G? Knock
Go
on Heaven's Door.
G to a D to a A minor, then G, E, C minor, C major. Look, you're fine, you'll get it.
Here we go.
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. And I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Mama, wipe this blood from my face. You know that I'm sick and tired of the war. Dark train coming around, and feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knock it on heaven's door. Mama put my guns in the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. A long black train coming around, round. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. I see the light, I see the light. Yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Feel the light, I feel the light. It's coming in low, coming in low.
Good job.
Very nice, Dwight.
Good job.
Thank you. I never get tired of it. Except for the audience.
See what time it
Yeah,
is.
why she just dying? Get it over with.
Tony, we got time for one more. Close it out.
Yeah, after that one.
We'll see you next week, folks.
Oh, you wake up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring. You know you stumble to the table, see the same old friend. Little food on the table, ain't got no pork in the pan. You know you better not complain, boy, you'll get in trouble. she wears her apron, another clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. She wants to see the governor, she gonna free her man. So let the midnight special shine that light on me. Just let the midnight special shine that light on me. Oh, midnight special, shine that light on me. Let the midnight special shine that light. One more guitar coming at you. You better do her right. Hey, you better not gamble. Oh, you better not fight. Cause the sheriff will grab and his boys will take you down. Before you know it, you'll be prison bound. Let the midnight station shine that light on me.
Well, folks, that's the show. Thanks for coming out. Keep playing. Keep singing. I'm talking over you. It's a kind of a show business thing they do. See you next week. Don't be late.
Shine that light on me. Shine